How to find out what accounts a deceased person owns. Well, let me start by saying it is very hard, sometimes even impossible. Let's talk about it though. I always tell my estate planning clients, be sure to leave a binder, a folder somewhere. Make some lists with assets and with debts even, with wishes and so on. Even if you don't have an estate plan in place, that would help your family enormously because it is very hard to find out these accounts. But let's talk about some ideas. Some of them, they're pretty simple. You probably tried them, but let me see if I can come up with some that maybe you haven't thought about. So again, of course, start with any estate planning documents. If your family has, if your deceased loved one has an estate plan in place, the chances are that they have a binder somewhere or a folder somewhere. Also, I would reach out to the attorney creating that estate plan, no matter what that is, because they may have an intake form, and the intake form may have some accounts and some assets listed there. But let's say the person did not have an estate plan in place. The first place I would probably look is in the wallet. That will tell you about bank accounts, credit cards, and so on. Then, of course, the mail. Check on the mail and see what kind of statements, what kind of invoices come at the house, and then that will help you figure out, hopefully, again, some assets and some debt. Then, if the person was employed, try the employer. If the person had a direct deposit, maybe the employer will have a bank account information. Also, the employer will know more about assets such as retirement accounts or whatever other benefits of life insurance that they may offer. Try utility companies. If there is a direct deposit, if they take the payment automatically, you may get some information from there. Let's say, and they may or may not release this information. That is for a different topic. Basically, who has the authority to ask information about a deceased person's accounts and debts. But that's for a different video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our other videos. But for now, if you get a statement in the mail, you may see that this invoice has been paid from this bank account from that bank and so on. Otherwise, I doubt it that they will release any information over the phone. Try tax refunds. Tax returns and refunds are a good source of information. If the person had an investment account, maybe the dividends were reported. If the person had some mineral interest, maybe royalties are reported or any other type of royalties. They may also have that the money would go directly, it may be attached to a bank account. Any refund or any payment, so they may give you some information on that type of asset. Insurance. Who is the holder for the home insurance? They may have some information. Not only do they may know of some bank accounts, yes, sure, they pay with this bank automatic payment, or that would be a good resource to ask, hey, did they also have a life insurance? Maybe sometimes people have the same provider for insurance. And finally, I would say if you've tried everything, I'm sure there are other ways out there. Check the Office of Unclaimed Property. Every state has one, the Treasurer's Office. It should be a website where you go and drop in the person's name. Just have in mind that it may not be immediate. So if the person passed a week ago, sometimes it can even take years for the company, whomever is holding these type of assets, maybe to send that money to unclaimed property. So don't give out, make sure you check every now and then, drop in some names. It should be free. You shouldn't have to create an account. I think the Office of Unclaimed Property is a great resource for people. I hope this video helped. I hope it gave you some ideas, some new ideas on where to search for assets and debts and other type of accounts. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 405-857-8231. If you are local, I also offer free consultations. It depends on the type of questions. It may be in person or over the phone, but don't hesitate to reach out. Email me at mona@unitylegalservices.net. I would love to hear from you. And again, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notification when new videos are being posted. Thank you.